Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix how to add a program to right click contrast menu in Windows 11. Now here, so how to add it, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your search menu and type a registry editor. Now here is a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After that, select the H key classic root and expand it. After doing this stat, scroll down and find out a directory. Now here is a directory. After doing this stat, expand it. After doing this stat, find out a background and expand it. After doing this stat, select a shell and expand it. After doing this stat, right click on a shell, new, type a new key and type a name of the program which is want to add in your contents menu. So I like it I handbrake, so I type a handbrake. After doing this set, select it, right click, new and new key and type a name is command. Select a command. After doing this set, minimize it and find out a select a specific program which is you want to add. Right click, go to your properties. After doing this stat, copy the target location, open a registry editor, select a command, open a default section, paste the target location at value data, click on OK button, close the registry editor. After a right click, show more options. Now you can see data, handbrake is added, open it. Open a specific software. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.